Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to see birthdays on Snapchat. If ever you're wondering who's celebrating their birthday today or for the upcoming birthdays. Okay, so for the first step, we're going to open Snapchat. And once you've opened it, we're going to tap on the profile icon on the top left of your screen. And you will be presented with these options. And in this option, you're just going to scroll down for a bit and go to the friends category. And as you can see, there is a My Friends button. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped it, you will see the list of your friends on Snapchat. And sadly, no one is celebrating their birthday today. But I will show you if someone is celebrating their birthday on the day that you've checked. There will be a birthday icon on the right side of their name. And you can just tap on their profile and wish them a happy birthday by sending them a message. And if you're wondering for the upcoming birthdays, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. We're gonna close Snapchat. And if you have the same people connected to Snapchat and on Facebook, you can check on Facebook. Let's go ahead and open Facebook. And once you're here, we're gonna tap on the search icon and type in birthdays. Once you've typed in the birthdays, don't tap on the search button. Just tap on the birthdays that was presented once you've typed in. And there, you will see whose birthday is coming up. And you can greet them a happy birthday. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.